Dear students, today we are going to draw the Lewis structure of CH2O. Students, CH2O is called formaldehyde. Students, to draw the Lewis structure of CH2O, first of all, we have to calculate total number of valence electrons. So, the first step is we have to calculate total number of valence electrons. Since we know that carbon is present in group 14, so it provides 4 electrons for bonding, and hydrogen is present in group 1, 2 hydrogen provide 2 electrons for bonding, and oxygen present in group 16. So oxygen provides 6 electrons for bonding. So students, we have total 12 electrons, and we have to distribute these 12 electrons between one carbon, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atom. So the first step is calculate total number of electrons. First, we know that during writing the Lewis structure of any compound, the least electronegative atom is present in the center. But the other rule is that hydrogen always present or at the corner. So we consider carbon in the center of this molecule. Carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, and this one oxygen. Students, to represent a single bond, we place a pair of electron between this carbon and hydrogen, one pair of electron between this carbon and hydrogen, and one pair of electron between carbon and oxygen. So we represent a single covalent bond. Now we complete the octet for outer atoms. We know that hydrogen need only 2 electrons to become stable. So hydrogen, in this way, hydrogen complete its duplet, hydrogen complete its duplet. But for oxygen, the other electrons are present on outer atom. So we complete octet for oxygen. We have total 12 electrons. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oxygen complete its octet. Hydrogen complete its duplet. Students, hydrogen complete its duplet. Hydrogen complete its duplet. Oxygen complete its octet. But if we see carbon, we observe carbon has only 6 electrons. So carbon need 2 electrons. So to complete the octet for carbon, again we draw the Lewis structure. So carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen. Students, single bond, a single covalent bond between carbon and oxygen and between carbon and hydrogen. A pair of electron. In this way, oxygen completes its octet, hydrogen completes its duplet, this hydrogen also completes its duplet. So, to complete the octet for carbon, if we transfer this pair of electron between carbon and oxygen, then there is a double bond between this carbon and oxygen. Students, so if this pair of electron is transferred between this carbon and oxygen, so to complete the octet for carbon, I have transferred the pair of electron between carbon and oxygen. So in this way, hydrogen completes its duplet, hydrogen completes its duplet, oxygen completes its octet, and carbon also completes its octet with formal charge is equal to 0. Students, this is the best Lewis structure for formaldehyde. We can also write it like this: carbon, double bond, oxygen, single bond hydrogen, and single bond hydrogen. Students, this is the best Lewis structure for formaldehyde. Okay, dear students, wish you all the best.